The filling kit includes a filling device with a mounted pressure gauge, and a hose with 2 connections. Step 1. Remove the plug and check if the gasket is inserted. Step 2. Unscrew the top handle completely. And screw the side handle completely. Screw the filling device to the thread of the pulsation damper. Step 3. Connect the side with adapter to the nitrogen bottle. Tighten the connector with a fixed wrench. Step 4. Remove the plug and check if the gasket is inserted. Screw the flat connector to the charging valve. Tighten the connector with a 17 fixed wrench. Keep the dampener in vertical position during this process. Step 5. Screw the top handle completely. Step 6. Open slowly the nitrogen bottle valve. And increase the pressure about 2 to 5 bar over the pre-charge pressure. Then close the nitrogen bottle valve quickly. Step 7. Open the purge handle until it reaches the desired pressure. And unscrew the top handle completely. Then unscrew the side handle until pressure drops to 0 bar. Step 8. Disconnect the connector slowly. Do not disconnect it completely until the hose is purged. Replace the plug in the valve. Remove the filling device. Replace the plug in the valve. Finally, remove the other side of the hose.